Masayang buhay mga kabayan! Isashare ko po sa inyo ngayon ang aking keto recipe ng fried cauliflower with mushroom. Ito po yung mga gagamitin nating ingredients. 1 small size cauliflower, 1 small size red onion, 5 cloves of garlic, half cup of mushroom. So the onion and the garlic should be finely chopped, and the mushroom I use here is the one in can. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. To achieve a couscous or a rice-like texture, you'll need a food processor or an electric chopper. Pero kung wala naman kayo neto, maaari naman kayong gumamit ng manual grater. Your cauliflower should look like this. Heat the pan and add your olive oil, and then saute your onion until it's golden brown, and then add your garlic. Continue doing this for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then add the mushroom. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So we're doing this to add some flavor. And then add your cauliflower. Continue cooking for 5 to 10 minutes. So here I'll be adding a sea salt, or you could also use Himalayan salt. Add some pepper. And then cook for another 5 minutes. So ito na ho ang ating fried cauliflower. And this recipe is very low in carbohydrates. So if you're into keto diet, you must try this. Thanks for watching my video. Kain po tayo!